Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Assistive Touch because it gives you an always available one-tap control for screenshots and other gestures. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, choose Touch, then tap Assistive Touch and turn it on. Once done, place the floating button where it's comfortable. Make sure it doesn't block important UI. Next, tap Customize Top-Level Menu, add a new icon, and select Screenshot so you can take captures from the menu instead of pressing physical buttons. Now you refine how you trigger screenshots so the process is faster and less awkward. In Customize Top-Level Menu, you can rearrange icons so Screenshot is front and center. Tap the floating button and choose Screenshot to capture immediately. Alternatively, assign Screenshot to a custom action, single tap, double tap, or long press, so you don't need to open the full menu. Choosing double tap reduces accidental captures, while long press works well when you want a deliberate, held gesture. Finally, you take the screenshot and confirm it's saved correctly. Tap the floating Assistive Touch button and choose Screenshot, or use your assigned custom action. The screen will flash and a thumbnail appears. Tap it to edit or share, or find it later in Photos. If Screenshot doesn't work or the option is missing, make sure your iOS is updated, restart the device, and re-add the screenshot action in Assistive Touch. If Assistive Touch won't respond, toggle it off and on to reset the floating control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.